If your plan in life is to live a life of freedom and meaning and do not live in a third world country, you need to learn affiliate marketing. Happiness is definitely not related to money. But still, in order to survive, you need money to have the lifestyle you are having. By lifestyle, I mean that you are able to sleep in a warm, cold house, get 3 meals a day, and you can take a shower. In order to keep these basic needs alive, you will need money. Since the advent of the internet, many opportunities are open to the humans. In fact, if I am going to talk about affiliate marketing to my grandparents or even my parents, they will never understand what it is about. And honestly, most of my friends don't understand as well. The Minimalist Boy is here today to talk about the only good alternative I have found to live a life of freedom and still having money. This stuff is not taught at school. Like 95% of the things that are giving you serious money and happiness. You will need to discover these things yourself, because no one will be so nice to reveal these secrets to you. Click to tweet. My little secret is called affiliate marketing. And here in this article, I am going to explain how this works. What is affiliate marketing? Minimalist Boy definition. Affiliate marketing is a partnership between you and a company. You will get a personal account with a personal link where you will be able to see the stats of the clicks on that link. If whoever clicks the link perform an action, like filling in an email or buying, mainly, you will get a commission. Practical examples are what a minimalist person loves to give to explain things. So here you have one. I am an affiliate for the N26 Bank because I love it. It is beautiful looking and very minimalistic. It works on desktop and mobile, and I think that is the only bank you need to have if you are trying to get the best bank. It is 100% free with the basic account, and the features are very simple. Since I love that bank, I go to their site and I sign up for their affiliate program. Once I am approved as an affiliate, I will get a personal link like this. https://n26.go2cloud.org/af_c?offer_id equals 4 and af_id equals 2241 and af_sub equals king affiliate. Where AFF_id equals 2241 is my personal affiliate ID number, and King Affiliate is a tracker code I have added to see from where the click came from. I can hide that link into a banner or a link like this one, sign up for N26. If someone clicks on that link, I will be able to see it. I will be able to see from where it came and if they paid and if I will get a commission. If you decide to open a free awesome bank account, it will cost absolutely zero money to you, but I will get $40 as an affiliate. You can do this for any company. How to make money with affiliate marketing. If you go to the footer of any company you like, you will see a button with written on it, Affiliate Program or Partners Program. From there you can sign up and create your affiliate account. The first thing you need to do, since you will probably work for many companies, is to fill in your payout method. That way, if you forget about that specific company but a link that you placed somewhere one day will make money, you will get automatically paid as soon as the commission is approved. There are mainly two entities that can pay you as an affiliate: CPA or affiliate networks. Companies' websites. The first one is a network where you will be able to find thousands of offers from a lot of companies. The advantage is that you will get paid from them, and you don't have to log in and log out on many websites. The disadvantages are that you might not find what you are looking for, and for certain things they might pay you a little less. Companies' websites instead offer an affiliate program, and you will get paid from them if you promote their offers. Like in the case above, I am promoting the N26 Bank from their company affiliate account. You should make an account with the services below right now. Which are the best ways to get paid online? TransferWise, e-payments, N26, Coinbase, Payoneer, PayPal, Paxum. How to make people click my links and hopefully buy something. You will get paid mainly for these actions that are performed after the link is clicked. PPL, pay per lead. You'll get paid for an email. Range, 1 cent to $15. PPS, pay per sign up. You will get paid if they pay for something. Range, $30 to $1,500. REVSHARE, you will get a percentage of the sales until they buy. Range, 4% to 75%. There are many ways you can drive traffic to your affiliate links. Unsustainable ways. Sustainable ways. Some unsustainable ways are spamming, dropping links into social media profiles, bothering the shit out of people, cold calls, filling websites of pop-ups, redirects, etc. Sustainable ways are instead media buying, SEO, blogs, websites, email list, etc. The best and most effective and free way to make money is via making a website or blog. This is a niche site on minimalism, of course. People interested in minimalism are the ones less likely to buy. But this is the way I am, and even if you don't buy anything from me, as soon as the traffic will grow, advertisers will beg me to put some ads on my site for a lot of money actually. I have many websites and blogs online that are now making cash on autopilot, so I have decided to dedicate more time to minimalism. On this site, there are no ads, pop-ups or bothers, but just a new way of thinking that everyone should practice. Media buying vs SEO. If you've got no patience and you want immediate results, you need to become a media buyer. A media buyer is a person that spend money, sometimes a lot of money, for paid advertisement. One of the easiest to understand media buying examples is AdWords from Google. That will place ads on the search results each time you type for something. There are thousands of companies where you can create an account and buy banner spaces, or traffic from. This is very expensive. And sometimes it can be very profitable, but it can also drain your pockets. Here are some other examples. FB ads, Reddit ads, Juicy ads, Traffic Junkie, ZeroPark, etc. If you instead decide to build a website and learn SEO, it can take several years before your website will be shown on Google search results. If you start a website today and write an article a week each week, it might be shown on Google next year. If you do the things the right way, however, your site will be shown on Google first page for free, and eventually you can make a huge amount of money. When people search something on Google like best waterproof laptop, the thing between the apostrophes is called a keyword. If you rank on the first page for multiple keywords like that one, you can make a lot of money. This is why you need to target long-tail keywords. Affiliate marketing strategy that works. Google will rank your websites considering millions of factors, but a few very important ones are: website load speed, quality of content, backlinks. If you want to create a website, I have created a very long guide on how to do it. I suggest you read it completely. The first thing you need is a good hosting plan and domain. Get the best hosting. You have total control over your website speed. If you're on WordPress, you can follow many guides to optimize your site. You can test the speed of your site via GTmetrix. Test your website speed. Then you need to create awesome content. Google loves nice content and awesome articles. You should always write better stuff than what's already there. If you start a blog today, your articles will rank after 1 year if you are targeting keywords, and even better long-tail keywords. You need to make your site nice looking and attract people who will link to your content. The most links you will have on other websites linking to your site, the more authoritative you will become. For instance, if the New York Times will write about the minimalist boy, I will acquire authority. The more links you have like that one, the more powerful your website will become. These are called backlinks. Create niche sites. Creating niche sites, or in other words, websites based only on one, long-tail keyword, is the secret sauce. If you make a website based, for instance, on best boats to drive with no license, you can write a ton of articles and reviews about all of these boats. Once you will start to rank on Google for people looking for this kind of boat. If you are an affiliate of a boat company, you can potentially earn huge commissions from new customers you introduce to buy a boat. You can create multiple niches and write articles around targeted high-volume search keywords. The best way to see what keywords are searched on Google is via Google Keywords Planner. Create a Google Keyword Planner account. Then I suggest you to learn how to use SEMrush as well. You can get a freemium version if you sign up with the button below. Sign up for SEMrush now. If you need to optimize your sites for keywords and SEO, SEMrush is a must-having tool. Conclusions. This is a big industry. I wanted to give you an overview of it, and I have tried to explain how this is one of the few ways to achieve total financial freedom. Of course, it would be even better to have unlimited money and not having to do this at all. But if you are smart about it, you can set up a few targeted websites that in a few years will make enough money for you to survive for decades. If you're interested in this topic, you should start to learn coding, WordPress, SEO and affiliate marketing. If you didn't already, you should start a website now, and there are very good guides on sites like medium.com or johnchow.com or smartpassiveincome.com. If you have questions or something is not clear, please comment below. I didn't want to confuse you if you're new. You should have by now an idea of how to make a profit online and how I am doing it with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about having links in the right spot at the right time in front of the right audience. Here's a bonus. One thing I wish I knew when I started affiliate marketing. Plus the income formula you need to know. Majority of people started their online business adopting affiliate marketing as the core model, just like myself. It is indeed a great strategy to kickstart your online business because the only thing you need is to find a converting offer and start driving traffic to it. Simple and straightforward. You could start a blog to review products or build a squeeze page to promote the affiliate offers and tap into traffic techniques like content marketing or paid traffic with PPC, PPV, banner, etc. However, the bottom line is you will only get a cut in the commission. If you are driving paid traffic, you will need to make sure your return of investment, ROI, is positive, i.e. for every $1 you pay for traffic, you will need to generate at least $1.10 to have an earning of 10 cents. If you are doing content marketing like video marketing, article marketing, blogging, etc., to promote the products, you will need to make sure the profit you generate from the commission can cover the time you spent generating the content. Ultimately, your time is equal to money, no matter how much you price your hourly rate. So, always make sure your earning per click, EEPC, is more than your cost per click, CPC, when promoting offers. The real question is, how can you make it big when you are doing affiliate marketing? How can you get the most out from promoting other people's offers? Majority of the products in ClickBank will only give you 50% to 75% of the commission, including some of the upsells, downsells, etc. Other marketplaces like JVZoo or Warrior Plus might have some vendors provide you up to 100% commission for their front-end products. Normal people who are able to generate 4 to 5 figures per month with affiliate marketing will be considered good enough. So how do the super affiliates who can generate 5 to 6 figures from affiliate marketing alone? This single question puzzled me for a long time. Income formula. Let's review this formula again. Traffic plus conversion equals income. Based on this formula, as long as we can find an offer that converts well, all we need to do is to scale up the traffic to increase the income. Makes sense? The problem is it takes money to generate traffic, and the traffic cost has been increasing. Even if you're into free traffic techniques, content marketing, it takes time, money to build up, outsource the content. Although traffic is a major formula we can tweak to increase the income, we should not forget conversion. Let's take a step back and think about the rationale behind affiliate marketing. How does affiliate marketing work? Why do you think people let you to promote their products while giving you a large chunk of commission up to 100%? You might be thinking because they would like get more traffic and generate more sales. Absolutely. A more precise answer is the lucrative portion is from the back-end sales via email or phone follow-up. Not the front-end, upsell, downsell, etc. When the vendor acquires a customer, he can market his products including high-ticket items and other relevant products. The lifetime value of a single customer worth a lot more than the front-end product. Feel being used? You shouldn't. You have the choice to develop your own products, sales funnel to be in the vendor games, but be prepared to spend lots of money in product creation and testing of the sales funnel in order to attract affiliates to promote. What should I do? Now you know how affiliate marketing really works. You should use it to your advantage to take affiliate marketing to the next level. Don't worry, if you only want to earn 4 to 5 figures per month, You can still make it by promoting the products from the marketplaces like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, etc. If you are looking to take it to the next level, you will need to promote the products with a very strong sales funnel with decent conversion rate, containing multiple products, high-ticket items, i.e. $1,000 programs. A call center will be very beneficial to increase the closing rate of the high-ticket items. In this case, your EPC will be a lot higher because the leads you sent to the vendor will go through a strong sales funnel including high-ticket items. This is the key to become a super affiliate. Also bear in mind that there are a lot of private affiliate programs that are outside of marketplaces. Spend some time to research them and do your own due diligence to test the funnel despite what the vendor claims about the EPC. Find out if their tracking system is based on lifetime cookie or IP tracking, etc. Remember to like and subscribe to catch our next video that will explain the mysteries of online money. Thanks for watching.